So I'm going to label this my winter porch garden. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and if these plants are looking a little worn, it's because this is after the deep freeze. These plants technically should be dead. Now, to be clear, these three here and this one in this pink pot, I guess it is these four. These are cabbages that usually stay outside, and these were extras. I did starters, and these were extras. And when we had the deep freeze, I took them inside. I recently brought them back out, and this is where they will stay unless the weather gets crazy again. Now, if you didn't catch the first video in the series, what happened was our temperatures went down to sub-freezing for 11 straight days. It was in the low to mid 20s during the day, and at night it dropped down into single digits. One night it went down to 6 or 5, depending upon which forecast you look at, or which thermometer I looked at. It was down to 5. This container here and this window box here were not covered. I deliberately left them open, and this is toast. This is lettuce over here. This is spinach. This is spinach. Like I said, this is bouncing back. Temperatures have rebounded, recovered over the last few days, and what happened was I deliberately left these uncovered, A, to see what was going to happen, and B, uh, to see if these would survive. And the snow covered these. So in addition to the cold weather, we had roughly 7 inches of snow, between 6 and 8. So let's call it 7. So 7 inches of snow, and I believe that's what protected these. So like I said, now temperatures warming up. They're coming back. These are not coming back. These are out here for good unless we have low temperatures again. Cabbage, collard greens, I don't worry about them unless the temperature drops down, say below 15, or for long periods of time. I mentioned before these clear containers. I do not use those in the summer because of the sun. Sun will quickly absorb the moisture in those, and they would die. So, well, if you don't keep them hydrated, if you don't keep them moist, it's just a pain in the behind. So I just don't use them. So in the wintertime, it's another story. At any rate, this is where we are. I did harvest from this frugal garden. Frugal daughter was here from Christmas to New Year's, and we did harvest from out of both of these. So that's another reason why they're looking a little bit sparse. But the bottom line is 5 degrees, and they're still kicking. So I'm going to be harvesting the rest of these pretty soon. But I wanted to do this video to remind you guys of what I've been saying for a while, and that is you don't need a huge garden to grow things. This is a very small porch, and you can see what I have on here. I could probably get a few more things on here, but this is where I'm going to leave it for today. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I hope that you subscribe and hit that like bell. And remember what I always tell you. When you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm not done with my After the Deep Freeze series. Have a great day.